Most stuck loading problems in the Ibotta app usually happen when the app can't refresh your login session or gets blocked by cached data after an update. By the end of this, you'll know the exact fixes that clear the loading screen issue, what to check on your phone first, and when the problem is actually on the app side instead of yours. Start with the simplest fix. Force close the app and reopen it after a full device restart. This matters because Ibotta sessions can stay partially active in the background, and that can trap the app on a loading screen instead of letting it reconnect cleanly. If that doesn't change anything, move to clearing the app's cache or reinstalling it. Cached files can get corrupted after updates, and that creates a loop where the app keeps trying to load old session data that no longer matches your account state. Reinstalling forces a clean version of the app to rebuild everything from scratch, including login and offer data. The second area to check is your connection and device permissions. A weak or unstable network can stop the app from reaching its servers, which looks exactly like a loading freeze. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can quickly show if the issue is network related. Also check that the app has permission to use mobile data in the background. If that permission is restricted, the app can open but fail to fully load content, leaving you stuck on the splash or loading screen. The third possibility is account or server-side issues. Sometimes, the app loads endlessly when Ibotta servers are temporarily under pressure, or when your account needs a fresh authentication after a security check. In those cases, reinstalling and logging back in usually triggers a clean verification flow that resolves the loop. If everything on your phone looks fine and the app still won't load, it usually means the issue is not local. That's when waiting a bit and trying again later is the only real fix. Here's the summary. First, most loading issues come from cached session problems. Second, network or permission settings can block the app from fully connecting. Third, reinstalling often resets the broken state and fixes the loop. If you want the fastest result, start with restart and reinstall before changing deeper settings. Subscribe for more fixes for cashback apps and common mobile issues that actually work.